Thanks for checking out Guaranty RV's YouTube channel, and today we're looking at a 2020 Coachmen Catalina 303 QB. This unit right here on the outside is going to come equipped with a full pass-through storage as well as an outdoor shower, and in the rear you're going to get an outdoor kitchen equipped with a sink, a fridge, and a grill. Also out here you're going to get solid steps as you walk into the unit and an automatic awning, outdoor speakers. Also out here you're going to get 7.5 gallon propane tanks instead of the 5 gallon propane tanks, and a power tongue jack on the front. As we walk into the Catalina, you're going to see a great closet space here for shoes and jackets as you walk in. And then you're going to see the entertainment system, which is going to have DVD, Bluetooth, TV, and you're going to see a great space heater with an ambiance fireplace. As you walk into the bedroom, you're going to see a beautiful queen-size bed in here with storage all the way around. And then we're going to get into the living space right here with a U-shaped dinette and a couch that both convert into beds. In the kitchen, you're going to see a freezer, refrigerator. You're going to have your oven and microwave, a large sink, and plenty of storage. And then as you walk to the back, you're going to see a full-size all-in-one bathroom. And all the way in the back, you're going to have your bunk room, which is great for the children or anyone that's staying with you.